coming back to yourself. Chances are that if you're on this mailing list, that there's a part of you that is looking for something more in your life. And more isn't necessarily about accumulation of things, but richness, authenticity, just a way to feel inside you that is solid and authentic. And that's what I think the healing journey is. The healing journey is a evolution of coming back to you. And depending on the type of modality you use, whether it's energy healing, shamanism, painting, the whole process is about looking at the stories that you have told yourself that are no longer valid, no longer are keeping you safe. In fact, those stories, those limiting stories, are keeping you back. And so any healing journey is the process of clearing, rebuilding your essence, getting all your life force and vitality back to you, and most importantly, trusting yourself. The Soulscape process is all about empowering women to own their energy, which is their body wisdom, their intuition, their creative life force. And it's about taking all of that and claiming it as you and living a life that's you. Now, I know that that doesn't happen overnight, and I do believe that healing can happen very quickly, but because we are in these beautiful bodies, the bodies take time to transition from this old belief to a new belief. And I call that body, mind, spirit, muscle memory. So healing is about coming back to you and putting away all the stories that are keeping you limited, keeping you small, keeping you from owning you. And the Soulscape process is so important because it uses embodied creativity that's moving, writing, painting, drawing, uses all these tools to get under the mind that is holding us so tight. And when we get under the mind, we're in our heart space, and the heart is the gateway to our soul. So when our heart is soft, our eyes are soft, we can listen to our truth. And that is the healing journey. So join me either online or in person and reclaim the truth of who you are.